Hello everyone, welcome to solve this nice math Olympiad algebra problem. So here we have m to the power of 6 equals to 3 cube, and we solve this problem for the values of m. So here the very first step we are going to do is, you see here this is sixth order equation. It means that this equation has 6 roots. So in this question we will find all that 6 roots of this equation. So first we rewrite this equation as, we write this m to the power of 6 as m square and its whole cubed, and we move this 3 cubed in the left hand side. It will be written as 3 cubed, and this whole equation equals to 0. And now here in the next step we need to apply here the nice cubic formula, so that according to this cubic formula we can apply here this cubic formula: a cubed minus b cubed, it is equals to a minus b times of a square plus ab plus b square. So according to this formula, you see here our a is m square and our b is 3 only. So according to this formula, we write our above equation as in this form. So first we have a minus b. Here our a is m square minus b is 3 times. This is m square. Here our a is m square and its whole square plus this is ab. So here our a is m square and b is 3 plus b square. B is 3 square, and this whole equation equals to 0. So now in the next step here we need more simplifications, and we write this equation as m square minus 3 times of this is m square and its whole square plus this will becomes 3 times of m square plus this 3 square equals to 9, and this whole equation equals to 0. So now in the next step we will divide this equation into the two cases, so that the first case is we take m square minus 3 equals to 0. And now in the next step we will write our second equation equals to 0. So this is m square and its whole square plus 3 times of m square plus 9 equals to 0. So here we first focus in the first case. So in the first case we need to move this minus 3 to the right hand side, and it will be written as m square equals to plus 3. So because we solve this problem for the values of m, so that we need to take the square root on both of the sides. These 2 and square root are gone, and we get the value of m equals to plus minus square root of 3. So these are the two real roots of the given equation. And now here we need more 6 roots, so that in order to find the other 6 roots we need to solve this fourth order equation. So here first we will take here x equals to m square. So when you put this m square equals to x, so this equation is written as x square plus 3x plus 9 equals to 0. And now here this equation will become quadratic in x variable, so that we will solve this quadratic equation by using the quadratic formula. So quadratic formula is stated as minus b plus minus square root of b square minus 4 times of ac divided by 2 times of a. And now we write the coefficients of this equation. Its coefficients are a equals to 1, b equals to 3, and c equals to 9. So we put these values of a, b, c here, and it will be written as x is equals to minus b. The value of b is minus 3 plus minus square root of b square. B is 3 square minus 4 times of a is 1, and c is 9, and it is divided by 2 times of a. So here our a is equals to 1. And now in the next step we need more simplifications, and we write it as minus 3 plus minus square root of 3 square equals to 9 minus 4 times of 9 becomes 36, and it is divided by 2. And further we have more simplifications here. So we write it as minus 3 plus minus square root of this is 9 minus 36, and 9 minus 36 equals to minus 27, and it is divided by 2. So here we need to focus on this square root term. So from this square root term we will break the square root, and we write the square root separately on these two terms, and it will be written as minus 3 plus minus square root of 27 into square root of minus 1 divided by 2. So this implies that we have our x is equals to minus 3 plus minus. We write this 27 as 9 multiplied by 3, and we write this square root of minus 1 equals to iota, and it is divided by 2. So here we need more simplification, and we write it as x is equals to minus 3 plus minus. We know that the square root of 9 equals to 3 times of square root of 3, and it is divided by 2, and here we have this is iota. Okay, so in the next step we break these two values of x, and here first we write the positive value of x, and it is minus 3 plus 3 times of square root of 3 iota, and it is divided by 2, and here we write the negative value of x. It is minus 3 times of square root of 3 iota, and it is divided by 2. And now here further in the next step we back substitute the value of x, and in the start of the problem we will take here our x is equals to m square. When you put this value here, it will be written as m square equals to minus 3 plus 3 times of square root of 3 iota, and it is divided by 2. And from here we have m square equals to minus 3 times of square root of 3 iota, and it is divided by 2. So here because we solve this problem for the values of m, so that here we take the square root on both of the sides of this equation. So when we take square root on both of these equations, it will be written as this 2 and square root are gone, and we get the value of m is equals to plus minus square root of minus 3 plus 3 times of square root of 3 iota, and it is divided by 2. So these are the other two complex roots of the given equation, and here from this case this 2 and square root are also gone, and we get other two complex roots are plus minus square root of minus 3 times of square root of 3 iota, and it is divided by 2. These are the more two complex roots of the given equation. So here you see that these are the 2, and 2 becomes 4 roots of the given equation. And if you focus on above cases, so in above cases we have the other two real roots of the given equation which we can find above, and these two roots are plus minus square root of 3. Okay, so these are the two real roots, and these are the 4 complex roots of the given equation. Because our given equation is the 6th order, so these are the total 6 roots of the given equation. And this is the final answer, and thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.